Hola chicas, sorry for only getting this up now. I meant to get it up for you earlier. So we're just going to have a look at the corrections on Página 127, 127, the green box. I asked you to have a look at the question words, okay? So I'm just going to run through this quickly for you, okay? So the first one we got here is ¿Dónde está el museo? So where is the museum, okay? Número dos, something es tu cumpleaños. So ¿cuándo? When es tu cumpleaños? So when is your birthday? Número tres, ¿quién? So quién es Enrique Iglesias? Who is Enrique Iglesias? So remember quién is okay. Next one, por qué te gusta nadar? Remember por qué split P-O-R space Q-E. Remember the accent on that E. Why do you like to swim? And the kind of the clue here was the por qué, because or why. Por qué es divertido, because it's fun. Cinco, ¿cuál? So ¿cuál here is like what? Which is your favorite dish? ¿Cuál es tu plato favorito? And the answer is el gazpacho. Número 6. ¿Cómo es tu profesor de español? How is your Spanish teacher? 7. ¿A dónde? Where to? So remember, ¿a dónde is where to? ¿A dónde sueles ir de vacaciones? Where do you like to go on holiday? 8. ¿Cuánta? So remember, it's cuánta because camiseta is feminine because it's la camiseta. So, ¿cuánta cuesta la camiseta? So, cuesta, remember, is cost. So, cuesta 8 euros. Número 9. ¿Cuántos hermanos tienes? So how many? So cuánta is how cuánto or cuánta is how much. Cuántos is how many. So cuántos hermanos tienes? How many siblings do you have? And número 10. ¿Qué? There should be an accent on that E. Sorry, it's not listed there now. ¿Qué? ¿Qué haces durante las vacaciones? What do you do during the holiday? So that was the last 10 preguntas. Okay, so that was the 10 questions they asked you to do. Hopefully they'll make sense. Just keep look over these and learn these questions off because they come up in comprehension so much. Okay, they really come up lots in comprehensions. Okay, so that was the first bit. Okay, the next thing I want you to do now is I want you to actually submit. This is going to go up as an assignment, and it's going to be a little letter slash email. So the I want you to write this as a letter. Okay, so this is in your workbook. It's on Página 26, 26. Don't worry if you don't have your workbook because you can just use a video here, okay? So it says here you're the editor of Viaje, a well-known Spanish travel magazine. Write an article on Ireland, okay? I have some points down here for you to work on. So now it says read the comprehension. Don't worry about too much about the comprehension. I give you just some points down here to help you run through it, okay? So here is you're going to research your own article about Ireland, okay? It says go online to find out why Ireland is an ideal travel destination. So the first point is it says give at least 3 interesting facts about Ireland, mention the Irish climate, give details about 3 interesting there's 3 interesting landmarks which may not be commonly known. I was thinking for this point here you could chat about Donegal, Las Montañas. You can chat about like Las Montañas, Mount Errigal y Muckish. Mention what the people are like. That's my fácil. Here, and give 2 examples of celebrities from Ireland, okay? And this one here, 3 typical dishes. So that's these are the points I want you to work on here, okay? So the first thing I said down here is give a general introduction. So maybe say, so hola, me llamo, whatever X, soy irlandés, or you'll be all saying soy irlandesa, vivo en Donegal, or vivo en Letterkenny. The next point where he says is, the first point says mention the Irish climate. So I've kind of given you a few points here. I said, el clima en Irlanda, C-L-I-M-A. El clima en Irlanda is variado, so it's varied, okay? What I would do there then is chat about the different seasons. So for instance, you can say, in invierno, in winter, hace frío. It's really cool. Remember the verb hacer. En verano, you can say hace calor y llueve mucho. It rains a lot. You can maybe say in otoño, in autumn, hace fresco. It's chillier. Yeah. So you can say in invierno nieva mucho. It rains a lot. Or sorry, snows. Nieva mucho. It snows a lot. So you've loads of options there you can use as well. Okay, for when you're discussing the climate. So chat about chat about your seasons, las temporadas, whatever you want. Okay. The next point here I've got is chatting about the people. So here I've just said, la gente en Irlanda, the people in Ireland, es muy simpática. La gente en Irlanda es muy simpática. The people in Ireland are very nice, okay? So that's just a very simple point there. Are muy simpática, or they're muy graciosa, whatever you want, okay? The next point then it says is mention two examples of celebrities from Ireland. So you could say, for instance, hay muchas personas famosas en Ireland. There's lots of famous people in Ireland, okay? Una persona se llama, for instance, Daniel Donald. I'm using that as an example. Es cantante. He's a singer, yeah? Tiene el pelo, whatever, maybe marrón, y los ojos azules, yeah? So that can be one person you can use. You can chat him as if tiene, was he 50 or 60 años, whatever age he is, the celebrity has, okay? And then so that can be one person. Then the other person you can say is otro persona famosa se llama whoever, Michael Murphy. Es jugador de fútbol. Tiene el pelo y los ojos. Tiene 30 años. He's 30. So choose two famous people and write 4 or 5 lines on them. What do they do? What do they look like? Their age, all of that there. Maybe, you know, a bit about their personality. Just 4 or 5, three or 4 lines about each of them, okay? And then see the details about your typical dish. Maybe just say mi plato favorito es. Maybe give me one detail about one dish. My favorite dish is, yeah. Uh, Maybe describe those ingredientes. What's the ingredients in the dish? You know, is it pescado? Is it fish? Is it verduras? Is it vegetables? Is it pollo? Is it chicken? Or is it carne? So don't worry too much about 3. Maybe try 1 or 2, okay? And don't worry too much about the last reason. All right, give 3 reasons why people should come to visit. That's you're kind of doing this here, so don't worry about that last point, okay? The only other point that I missed was this point here. Give 3 interesting, give these about 3 interesting landmarks which may not be commonly known. So I was thinking you could chat about Las Montañas, you know, you could chat about El Parque Glenveigh, El National Parque Glenveigh, El Parque Nacional Glenveigh. You could chat about Las Playas, the beaches. Talk about something that you like there, okay? So maybe mention 3, like you could chat about Las Playas, Los Parques, Las Montañas, the mountains. Maybe you can chat about any of those kind of landmarks or important places you think about. It could be Slieve League. It could be anything, or it could even be something in your own local area. So anything at all there, just mention a little bit about it, okay? So try to give me maybe 10 to 12 lines on this, okay? I'll give you a mark for it, and just do it on the Google Doc as well, okay? And just see how you get on with it, okay? And just try your best. It's okay. Don't worry about the last point. Don't worry too much about the typical dishes. I want you to try more so about these points here: the facts about Ireland, the climate, the landmarks. You can make that up. What the people are like. 2 examples of celebrities. That's okay. And just briefly mention a couple of dishes. Is that okay? Muchas gracias, chicas. I'll attach the Google Doc, and we'll hopefully. I really want to do a Google Meets next week, so I'll put something up on the stream about doing a Google Meets next week. Okay, so muchas gracias and enjoy the weekend. Okay, hasta pronto.